こまでラジアルは成熟したアスペック。
This is the man who put a million on black, and it came up red. This is the man who married a sex kitten, just as she turned into a cat. This is the man who moved into gold, just as the clever money moved out. This is the man who drives a Volkswagen. Everyone must have something in life he can rely on.
By a new 6-cylinder, 24-valve engine, richly upholstered in leather and uniquely styled. But what's most distinctive about this new touring saloon is it's also a Volvo. Introducing the Volvo 960. It's like no Volvo you've ever seen.
The Porsche 944. The Volvo 740 Turbo Wagon. To you, they're two completely different cars. But to a radar gun, they look exactly alike.
From £7.5 million to around 7,500. Saab. Nothing on earth comes close.
Ma mission terminée, je me sentais léger. J'allais tomber de haut. Heureusement, j'avais gardé mon arme, ma nouvelle 205 GTI.
failli attendre.
Par ces routes glissantes, il convient d'être prudent. 205 GTI, plus GTI que jamais.
After years of intense work, Lexus is ready to celebrate. Because even at the equivalent of 145 miles per hour, the Lexus LS400 is designed to stir the soul and not much else.
I naturally selected Kenwood for the ultimate audio system. We wanted a top quality system. Kenwood have been amazing.
Pure hybrid car component. Kenwood. Car components. Kenwood. Mitsubishi Lancer, juara umum Bentur Rally of Indonesia 94. Nikmati puncak performa Mitsubishi Lancer. Born to Run, the all-new Mitsubishi Lancer.
Peugeot 208. Dentro dele é outro mundo.
Peugeot.
Acceleration, turbo power, safe, effortless motoring, exclusive motoring, with exclusive comfort. Volvo Turbo.
これはエンジンのコンサートか人のトライアスロンか一日をかけて人とマシンは一本の名作を書き上げた喜怒哀楽モータースポーツポテンザ
ブリッジストーン
Tu monterais là-haut avec ton petit bolide? C'est une GTI.
Il est complètement à la masse.
Ça va décoiffer, hein.
Équipe 4 sur le pont.
Visa GTI, la GTI sauvage.
What I do for a living, few men can do and live. My name is Rémi Julien. I am a professional stunt driver. Sometimes I make the slightest mistake in timing and my stunt fails. So we pull the car out and try again later. When you do what I do for a living, you choose your car very, very carefully. It must be durable, but most of all, it must be very reliable. That is why for my most dangerous stunts, I will only choose Fiats. My car is now ready again to fall down the waterfalls. The engine has been flushed and the spark plugs changed. And this time it works. You see, I believe in myself. I believe in Fiats.
We gave it the power of a supercar. Then we gave it the precision of a Lexus. And in turn, wrote a new definition of what's possible for an automobile. This is the pursuit of the impossible. This is the pursuit of perfection.
新しいマツダ始めます。
私の新しい最高である。ニューセンティア誕生。
センティア striking.
For mobility pleasure, Mazda.
Saab's innovative technology starts at around $15,000 for the 900. Moves gradually up through the 900S, then onto the 900 Turbo, then the Saab 9000S, from there to the 9000 Turbo at around $28,000, and stops at the Saab Viggen, which runs about $20 million.
Fantastic car, sir. Care for a test drive now?